as this song represents. Once I wished for a kingdom here and people at my side. I built a world full of emptiness, a nesting place for pride. So I let my life go on, not willing to believe. And just when I was most alone, you sent your son to me. Now I want to be mended, so that I can see the depths of love unended, your faithfulness to me. Great is your faithfulness, Lord above, always sending, ever mending, never-ending love. And so my song is, great is your faithfulness, great is your faithfulness, Lord. Every morning your love is new, your mercies never end, and at the place my promise fails, your faithfulness begins. One day I'll stand before you, sheltered by your wing. I can't wait to adore you, bowing down I'll sing. Great is your faithfulness, Lord above, always sending, ever-ending, never-ending love. And so my song is, great is your faithfulness, great is your faithfulness, great is your faithfulness, Lord.